When I came in 1982, I came to the United States as a service manager for a German company, and it was for repair and service for centrifuges. Then the company folded in '86. We teamed up with a rep in the Illinois area. So in '89, we started to manufacture in Libertyville our first decanter centrifuges. Libertyville was not very business friendly at the time. So then we start in '97, we start looking around what would be a good place to be, and we found Kenosha. Kenosha was open to manufacturing and hard-working people, and they were excited about it. For us, there was no question, we will be in Kenosha now. What Centresis does, Centresis, we separate solids and liquids under G-force. It's a continuous process where a liquid comes in, solids come out on one side of the machine, and liquids come out on the opposite side. A clean liquid, which then going to be either processed or whatever we do with it. 58% of our business is with municipalities. With the city of Kenosha, we developed years ago, it's probably about 10 years ago, a very close relationship. The city of Kenosha had some competitive piece of equipment to separate the liquids from solids, and they were very unsatisfied with them. We demoed our equipment at the plant down in Kenosha, and about 6 months later, as Kenosha was very fast moving, we had a first machine installed. When we came here, the attitude to work is much better here. Over the year, we established a very good relationship with Gateway, which we got some people from. Gateway has, for example, all the technologies we have, they teach in their classes. And that's why I think it's important that we are a part of them and they're part with us. By looking at Centresis where we are today, we are active in a lot of different industries. I think we are in a good position for the future to be active in all these industries, and I think nothing will stop us in that regard.